First of all, welcome to Essens. At the moment, the system says that you want to start a business with Essens, and that's absolutely fine if that's why you've joined. But if you've only joined to buy the products, which is also fine, here's how you change it. I'll log into your account using the member ID and the passcode. It's 4-digit passcode that Essens sent you in your welcome email. Then once you're in, click on the hamburger, that's the 3 lines at the top of the screen. Then click on My Office and My Profile, and then once you're in, scroll which says Your Choice. Now at the moment it says you're interested in earning. Click on the change button. Now you'll see that the bottom section is ticked at the moment. If you click on the top section which says I only want to purchase, and then click on save, that will update your account. It will change your account to a VIP shopper account, and then we'll only send you emails when there's a member offer on or there's a new product launch, and you won't receive all the training emails. And obviously you can still contact me if you want to, but we won't be constantly sending you emails. Once again, welcome to Essens. It's really great to have you here.